Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and we're back here at the gully that separates Waltham Gardens from the Sivrat Gardens. And with the recent rains yesterday, the gully had been partially cleaned by the recent rain. It was fall yesterday. It's cleaned from the recent heavy rains. This was Amin Drive up until November 19th, 2020. It was an underground leak. And the repair work that we saw took place on November 20 at Amin Drive. Just give you a quick look back. This was November 20, 2020, Amin Drive, repairing the underground leak. You see they're clamping the blue section onto the old pipe. And when the work was completed, Ronald, he praises on the workers at Water Commission.
Yeah, respect Water Commission, the accountants and the boss are who run it. You understand me? Water was running for a couple of months, and I see that them come and do them thing. You understand me? So it's when time people are paid, for Water Commission, congratulations them. You understand me? It don't matter whether they might be half or whatever, but we know say they might be good.
That's the special Water Commission.
Water Commission. Yeah, and respect and thank them for that.
And fast forward to today, November 25th, 2020, we're seeing this now on Maho Drive. And when we trace the source of the leak, it's the same spot that was repaired on November 20 by the Water Commission. You can see near an underground leak at the same spot that the pipe was repaired 5 days ago. Here along Amin Drive. We're seeing the leak. You can see the underground leak at this spot here. See the source here of the underground leak here. Here along Amin Drive. And again, the water running down along this part of the roadway. And as we showed you earlier, water literally going down the drain. This was shown in an earlier update. And remember to please like, share and subscribe to WDT Media TV. Until we are back here at White Wing, where we are seeing water running here at White Wing at the makeshift bathroom outdoor, as you can see. And they're making preparations. This is the infrastructural work to lay the drains. That work is still ongoing here in White Wing. And look at Black Beauty's place. It says it's clean. The Black Beauty says she's not going to any poorhouse. They say our clothes and our line are clean.
I can take my money.
Not going to any poorhouse. Here come to Black Beauty, still here living at White Wing. And the work continues here along White Wing for the installation of the sewer. And then there are 2 tractors now on the property. Some compacting work is taking place here. As you can see, work is on. I'm here contemplating if it worthwhile to go and take another look at the school and are suffering from the tragedy of neglect. Someone left a little shorts here over the school rail. The trophy is now on the ground. You have seen all of this before. Nothing has changed. Only that a friend of mine was trying to reach the principal and her phone rang without answer. But the reality is the principal and the school chairman were both notified about 7 days ago, and the situation remained unchanged. A computer in the office. Not sure if it is in working condition. Look at the school in its better days. And for the record, school was first called Family Counseling Basic School. And just look at the school now. First, we're going through envelopes and found looked like a old school voucher. A good friend of mine came here and saw the school's financial records, and the person have them for safekeeping and to also hand them over to the principal. So the school financial records are in safe hands, and the person planned to hand it over to the principal as soon as they can get to her on the telephone. All these cartridge papers are just simply going to waste. And again, appealing to the school authorities, just put a padlock on this grill. So the school can return to its glory days of imparting knowledge to the young minds of this community. I'm Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. And thanks in advance. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. And as usual, pleasant viewing.